That's all to do with the title, description, and tags in YouTube. So we were talking of YouTube Studio Mobile. How do you actually upload a video from the desktop? We talked about that last week. But how do we actually upload via the studio? And we're going to run through that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the slides and then I'm going to do a quick practical, and show you guys how to actually do it. So the YouTube Studio, that's the app there. You need to download it from Google Play Store. And this is what the interface actually looks like. So you actually go in, you click on the profile button at the right-hand corner there once you've logged on. And when you've logged on, you will see this sort of like upload button, which I've actually highlighted on this presentation screen. You click on it, and that automatically takes you to where all your videos you want to upload are kept. So you select a video, and then as you're selecting video, it now takes you to YouTube Studio where you can actually upload. And you've got this interface. So you put the title there, you put the description, and then you change it to private. And then you click on the upload button at the very top right corner. And then when you're uploading, you start seeing all this processing. It's processing, it's actually uploading. You see the rate at which it's actually uploading. And then you do your final checks. Make sure that everything is all, and then you click on save, and that's it. That's your first video via the mobile app. Now I'm going to stop this and I'm going to show you how it's actually done. So bear with me. What you first of all do is you go into your Play Store, you click on it, and then you say you want to download, you do a search on YouTube Studio, you click on it, and then there's an option there which says install. So you install it. I've already installed it on this phone at the moment, so that's why I'm saying uninstall and open. If you actually want to actually upload, you go into your browser. As I mentioned before, you click on the profile. When you click on the profile, you can actually see that red button, which is got an arrow pointing up. You click on it. Now this takes you to YouTube Studio. What video do I want to upload? Let me upload this video that is here. So I'll click on it, and now it's actually asking me what title do I want to put. Best YouTuber in Lagos. Let's just call it as an example. And description. When I went to Lekki, Lagos, I found this amazing content provider called Glory Elijah in Lekki, Lagos. Can you see how I've used a lot of the keywords? I've used Lekki, Lagos. I've provided that information in description, best YouTuber in Lagos. I've actually provided it as a title so that when someone is looking for a YouTuber in Lagos, I'm hoping that this video actually comes up. I want to change this now to private. I leave my location as it is. So now I'm actually done with the basics. I want to actually upload. So what do? I'll click on the upload button, which is here. So click on the upload button and it starts uploading. It does is uploading and processing. And as you can see, it starts saying 70 or 95% process, 100% process. Is it done? But at this point, you don't actually have to wait. You can start going in to actually edit the videos. So you click on it, and then I'll get this view. So you see this pencil button at the very top. I'll just click on it to edit it. So now I can change my description, which is what I put there, or I can change this to public to publish my video, or there's other listings here. I can schedule it, I can unlist it, I can add a playlist if you've already created one. And then this is where you add your tags. Remember the tags we were talking about where you use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to look for your tags? This is where you actually add that information. This is all in the basic info. We can go into advanced settings and you can change the category. So here you've got low. So it really depends on the type of audience you're trying to send your contents to, or let YouTube be aware that this sort of content is related to, this particular niche. So is it news? Is it entertainment? Is it education? What is it? You select it here. In here, we can actually leave the rest as default and then go back to the video. And once you're done, if you change it to public, click on save. The minute you click on save, it's actually out there in the public. Okay, now remember last week when we were actually having this discussion, there were so many other YouTube options that we can actually do via the desktop compared to via the mobile app. And that's the reason sometimes I don't like using the mobile app, because I feel like the mobile app is too limited to certain functionalities, and you need to go to the desktop to really appreciate the optimization and the tuning of your videos. In order for you to actually go into the desktop mode on your lap or your mobile phone, you go to youtube.com, okay, and you see where this cursor, you normally see 3 dot arrow. Change that, click on it, and basically click on desktop site. Now your mobile phone becomes like a desktop, and this is now where you actually have more power. Rather than using the app to edit your videos, you can actually do more editing via your mobile via this method, and also to customize your channel via this method. So you click on your profile and you go to the various ways you go. YouTube Studio. You click on YouTube Studio, and hopefully this should work. Voila! Look, I can now customize my channel. So I can click on the video section. I will see my video, which I just edited. So if I click on this now, I can now edit it how I actually spoke about it last week. So here I can put in the title, the description. I can update the thumbnail here. I can do so many things. Okay, you have the analytics there. All right, so this is the interface. This is the sort of interface that you really want to get accustomed to. And someone on the course was actually saying, "Oh, where do I find the audio library?" The audio library is here. Click on that last one there, and then you've got all the audios you can actually use. But I normally recommend to people, whenever you want to customize your channel, go to the desktop version on the mobile. So if you want to customize it, you click on this button here, and you've got this whole customization here, which is what we talked about last week. If you missed out on what we talked about last week, please, I'll put a link of the video playlist. You can actually go back and actually have to watch those videos. I mean, we talked about the branding, how to customize the branding, profile, banner, watermark, also your channel description, your channel tags and links. We all talked about this last week. And that's it, guys.